Hello everyone, welcome back with new video on Java programming. In last video, we have seen what is class, variable, how to declare variable and data types in Java. In this video, we are going to see what are the types of operator in Java. Let's start STS. First, we'll see what is operator. Operator is used to perform an operation on variables and their values. Here you can see one expression that is 8 minus 1 is equals to 7. In this, 8 is an operand, minus is an operator and 1 is operand. Then the result will assign to 7. This is a result. There are mainly 5 types of operator in Java. First, arithmetic operator. In this, plus, minus, multiplication, division, and modulus. These are the types of operator included. Let's see with the example. Create one project, file, new, then Java project. Give name, arithmetic operator. Uncheck the module.java. Click on next. Project structure is created. Then click on finish. Our project arithmetic operator is created. Right click on source, new, then class. Create one Java file. Give the name to class. Same arithmetic operator with Pascal case. Check the main method here. Then the main method will automatically created in our class or .java file. Click on finish. Here you can see our class file is created with the main method. Then we will see first operator is plus or addition operator. For that, declare one variable with data type integer. Int var1, assign the value to it, that is 10, give semicolon. Again assign one variable integer type. Int var2 is equals to 20. We can assign more than one variable with same data type like that. Here give comma, then write variable name var2 is equals to assign value 20, give semicolon. Cut this. Here you can see same data type of two variables is declared and assigned value to it. Then we want to perform addition using this variable using additional operator. For that, declare one variable, store the result, that is int. Both are the integer type, so we will store the result in int variable. So assign variable with result, give the semicolon. Then result is equals to, we have to store the addition of variable 1 and 2 into the result. So result is equals to var1 plus var2. Var1 plus var2, give semicolon. Then we'll print the result with the help of system.out.println. We will name her addition of two numbers plus result. We will print the result because we have stored the addition into the result. Give semicolon. We'll save the file and run it. Right click on project, run as Java application. After that, we will take the next operator, that is subtraction. For that, result is equals to variable 1 minus var2, give semicolon. Then again copy above line, paste. यहाँ पर subtraction of two numbers plus result, print the result, complete bracket, give semicolon, save the file, again run, rerun it. Here you can see the result. Subtraction of two numbers is minus 10. Then the third operator is multiplication. Store the result, assign it var1 into var2 semicolon. Again print it with the help of SOP. Println. Again multiplication of two numbers plus print the result. Save the file. Here you can see the multiplication of two numbers is 200. Same for the division. Store the result, assign them var 1 divided by var 2 semicolon. Print with the help of SOP. Print division of two numbers plus print the result. Save the file, rerun it. Here you can see division of two numbers is 0 because we cannot multiply 10 by 20. The answer will be 0. If we assign the result to the float, then it print the float value. Let's check. We are just printing the save the file, run. Here you can see again the 0 cause we are not storing in the float. If we assign one variable float raise, then assign that raise to var1 divided by var2 semicolon, and then print here raise. Rerun it. Here you can see the pointer value, that is 0.0. We multiple times divide 10 divided by 20, then the result will be 0, 0, 0. Then another one is for modulus. Modulus operator will give the remainder after dividing. Okay, then result is equals to, we just swap it, var2 modulus var1, then again SOP printing modulus two numbers plus result semicolon. Save the file, rerun it. Here you can see printing modulus of two number after dividing variable 2, that is 20 divided by 10, it's 2. So the remainder is 0. These are the types of arithmetic operator we are going to use in Java. Second type, assignment operator. Here you can see assignment operators, that is equals to, plus is equals to, minus is equal, then multiplication is equals, then divider is equals, and modulus is equal. Is equal operator is used to assign the result or value to the variable or another data, another values. Let's see with example. Create one project for assignment operator. New Java project. Give name assignment operator. Click on finish. Here you can see assignment operator project is created. Again expand it. Right click on source. Create one file. Java file. Class. Give name assignment operator. Check the main method. It will include automatically. Finish. Then we'll see the first assignment operator is equals to. Then declare one integer variable, or we can declare one string variable. String var semicolon. For the assignment, we will take the variable var by using the assignment operator equals to. We will assign the value to it is equals to. For the string, we will assign into double quote. Double quotes hello. Give the semicolon. We'll check hello is assigned to var or not with the help of SOP. Check var plus print the var, save the file, run as Java application. Here you can see the data in var is hello. Then second one is plus is equals. In this operator, we will assign one integer variable int a is equals to 12. Use semicolon. We will use the plus is equals to operator. Likewise, a plus is equals to 3 and give the semicolon. Save the file and print the result like this. Systemout.println result is equals to result for plus is equals to, print the same expression a plus is equals to 3. It will not print the result cause left hand side of assignment must be variable, means we are printing that result is assigned to one variable, then we can print it. This result means we are performing the operation on a, so we are going to print a, not a plus 3. Save the file at the plus, then it will use the result like a is equals to a plus 3 semicolon, means the variable a having already value 12, we will add plus 3 in the a and the result will give like this. Commenting this sentence, save the file and run it. Here you can see result for plus is equals to operator is 15, that is 12 plus 3 is equals to 15. Next assignment operator is minus is equals to. We will perform the same, a minus is equals to 2, use semicolon, same like printing the result. Change plus to minus, save the file, we will going to print a, keep it as it is, run assignment operator project. Here you can see the value is 15, then 15 minus 2 is equals to 13, cause here we update a, so the value is 12 plus 3 is equals to 15. Then it will minus 2 from 15. Okay, the value is 13. Then multiplication is equals to, then we will assign a multiply is equals to, value is 13, default value is 13 into 2, give semicolon, save and print the result for multiplication is equals to assignment operator. Change minus to multiplication, save the file, run it. Here you can see 13 into 2 is equals to 26. Same for the division operator. A divided is equals to 2, use semicolon. Again print the result. Change minus to division. Save it. We'll similarly do for modulus. A module is equals to 1 semicolon. Save. Again print the result for modulus is equals to operator. Save the file and run it. When we use star is equal to operator, the result is 26. That is here into 2. The value is 13, then into 2 is 26. Then we used divide equals to assignment operator. The result will be 13 cause a divided by 2 is 13. Then we use the modulus is equals to operator, then 13 divided by 1, the remainder is 0. So I hope you understand the operators, that is arithmetic and assignment operator. In the next video we will going to see another remaining operator, that is increment or decrement operator, comparison operator and logical operator. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to our channel for such videos.